Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So you already know that I almost got this car for free. I bought from a friend, really cheap, and the idea is to give it a good condition with the money that I didn't spend to buy it, okay? So this is the third video with this car, and the initial idea of the third video was not to clean the engine bay, but do an unbox, because as you imagine, I'm buying a lot of parts, but unfortunately there is a lot of parts that didn't arrive on time, so I decided to do, you know, like an engine bay cleaning. Let's see how it looked like at the end. Let's go, guys. So guys, the engine, it's already like better than it was. I didn't finish yet, but the reason that I'm doing this is to check for defects, and I already find out a few. Let's see here. Look. Oh, this hose here, the white one, it's not the original hose. It's like the, you know, that garden hoses. This hose is the hose that goes to the brake booster, and if you have problems here, your brakes stay like spongy. There is oil leaks. Another thing that I'm not sure if you're gonna see it, this is the oil radiator, and as you can see there was a leak, and this is look like really old, so I will have to buy another one. And another problem that I found, this is the fuel hoses, and they are cracked, so definitely need to be replaced. So two hoses, the oil radiator and the hose that goes to the booster. Yeah, three more parts, guys. So guys, I also found these supports are glued with silicone. This is not a big deal because I already ordered the facelift headlights, so this will come out, but they are broken. Sorry by being recording in this strange angle, but I forgot my tripod. I was not looking for a perfect engine bay detail, you know. I was just want to give it a better look, of course, but also look for parts that I may need that have some kind of defect, and I can visually detect that defects, which was the case. So guys, right now I'm gonna show you the result. It's not perfect, far away from that, but it's way better. Probably in the next video I will unbox a lot of parts. I want to put them together to show you all the parts I already bought, so probably in the next video will be an unboxing and install a few of them that can be easily installed. So guys, let's look at the results. Of course the engine bay is way better, and guys, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.